Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this tutorial I will teach you how we can cancel our token approval in case we approve our uh, tokens like BUSD, USDT or any valuable token with the scammer wallet, or in case we connect our wallet with the airdrop websites. So simple things. Here I open a random wallet and here BSC scan and click here on the more, and here we can in the tool section we can here see our token approval. So I will click here and paste the wallet address here and search here. So here we can see this address give approval. Here this is the contract and this is the approved sender and the approved amount and the time. So as we can see, this person, this is the transaction hacks and the block, and this person give allowance BUSD to pancake swap router and it's unlimited BUSD, sorry USD, Binance Peg USD. So in case I want to cancel this approval, so just simple, we need to connect our wallet, the same wallet as we are looking for, because it's not my wallet, it's someone else wallet. So just we click here connect to web3 and click here only with MetaMask and switch network. Let's do it manual. Ethereum BSC mainnet. Where is BSC mainnet? Binance Smart Chain. Okay, let's try to connect. Okay, so as you can see, my wallet is connected with this. Then we can simple make here edit, because it's not my wallet. I'm just giving you an example. Just click here and cancel the approval to this spender. So this is the simple way in case your wallet is hacked or scammed. So remove this approval doing this method.